This video is going to be completely different from anything you usually see on this channel. There won't be any loud declarations, complicated theological terms, or attempts to convince you of anything. I'm not even going to ask you to subscribe or like this video for the sake of numbers at the end. Today, none of that matters. I just wanted to leave this message here for you, so it can be by your side when things get truly heavy. But before we begin, I want to ask you for one thing. This platform you are listening to me on right now, it's built like a heartless machine. It doesn't see human pain, but it does see your actions. Any like you leave, or any word you write in the comments, signals to this system that this video needs to be shown to someone else. I'm asking you to interact with this video not for my sake, and not to grow this channel. Right now, as you listen to this, someone is sitting in an empty room, completely overwhelmed after a major surgery, a painful betrayal, or a devastating loss. And your single click could be the reason this faceless algorithm drops this video into their feed at their darkest moment. Let's just help those who are hurting even more than we are today. Lately, I've been reading your comments. I've been reading about your open heart surgeries, the betrayals you faced, the divorces after 40 years of marriage, the exhausting fatigue, and the debts that keep you awake at night. And honestly, as a human being, it truly broke my heart to see how much suffering one single person can carry. I sat in front of my screen and realized that no generic phrases or copy-pasted words of encouragement would help here. When you are lying in a hospital bed or sitting in an empty, quiet house, religious cliches just stop working. There is only silence. And in that silence, I just want to sit right next to you. The hardest part is the deep loneliness that hits you when you've spent your entire life trying to do everything right. You believed, you protected your children, you worked honestly, and you prayed. You never expected that later in life, you'd find yourself starting over from scratch, dealing with cardio depression or legal papers. In those moments, a quiet, heartbreaking question echoes inside. Lord, why? Is this really my reward? I need you to hear me right now. What happened to you is not a punishment. The fact that your health, your family's peace, or your trust was taken from you is unjust. It was an illegal seizure of your territory. The thief came, lied, and stole what belonged to you by right. You have every human right to be exhausted. You have every right to cry at 3 o'clock in the morning when no one is watching. But the biblical story you hold on to and turn to for comfort isn't meant for times when life is perfect. It was written precisely for catastrophes like yours. The supreme judge of the universe is not blind. He saw every single tear that hit your pillow. He recorded every betrayal and every minute of your quiet agony. There is a strict rule in spiritual law. When the thief is caught, he must restore what was stolen sevenfold. Your broken heart after surgery, your stolen years, your violated trust, all of this evidence has already been presented in the courts of heaven. Your case has not been forgotten. Right now, while you are listening to my voice, the heavenly judge is issuing a verdict to restore justice in your life. Not because you are strong, but because you kept standing even when you were on the brink of collapse. Please take care of yourself. You have made it through too massive of a storm to give up now. Give your body and your soul some time to heal. As I promised, there are no catchphrases or closing demands here. If something resonated deep within you, you already know what to do so this video can reach someone who is currently alone in the dark. May God's peace, quietness, and true comfort fill your home tonight. You are not alone anymore. Amen.